everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the congratulations messages are pouring in for an actress Madlala Dlamini after she shared the good news on her social media platform. Madlala blessed herself with an expensive BMW car and saved herself from walking and using public transport to reach a destination. She plays a gossip monger and also known for dating young men on screen. Madlala always mentioned she used to be a cleaner before joining the popular soap UZalo, and her life changed. She's not just being a Madlala on UZalo, but she's also into business. She bagged herself a deal of 1.8 million with one of the top alcoholic beverages company or beverage company in January this year, where she helps to promote the company's beverages and interact with its consumers. So yeah guys, we are really happy for her achievement and we wish her all the best. By the way guys, Dlamini turned 37 and most people used to argue her age because of her on-screen character, but yeah guys, she was born 1985. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with her. Bye.